we will be taking 2 liters of milk. 1 liter of milk has to be poured in this non-stick pan. And now just start boiling the milk. Just take other vessel and just pour the remaining 1 liter of milk in it. Now boil this milk also. We have just separated these 1 liter of milk from each other because they have different purposes. We will be making khoya with that, and we will be making paneer with this milk. Now start stirring the milk which was in the non-stick pan, and keep on stirring until it becomes thicker. After the milk is boiled, switch off the knob.
Now this is what you will get after adding lemon in the milk. So now we will be staining it out.
We just have to wash it with the cold water. We have washed this so as to just vanish that smell or the taste of lemon. Wash it at least twice. Now after draining out all the water from it, this will be left. So this is called paneer, and now we will be just waiting for the khoya to be ready.
Now as you can see, the khoya has got a lot thicker. So now we will be just turning off the knob.
Now to prepare the sugar syrup, we will be adding 3.5 cup sugar, and in it we will be adding 2 cups of water.
So this is 100 gram paneer and this is 300 gram khoya. We will be just mashing it up with each other and making a soft dough.
Now this is how the sugar syrup will be prepared. Now we will just turning off the gas. Now in this mixture of khoya and paneer, we will be adding half a cup maida.
So this is how you will be mashing the paneer, the khoya and the maida with each other.
So when you are done with the mixing up of all 3 things, just take out a ball of dough and start rolling it. And see if there is any crack or not. If there is any crack, so then just start mashing it up again.
Now start frying the balls and see if the balls are producing any crack while frying, and if they do so, then add some maida in the dough and mix it.
Now after frying those balls, just put these balls in the sugar syrup and let it soak the sugar syrup.